If you love traveling but still pay full price for flights and hotels, you're missing one of the biggest money hacks in America. Because smart travelers don't just spend money, they earn travel rewards every time they use their credit cards. And in this video, I'll show you the best beginner travel credit cards in the USA for 2026, which cards are actually worth using, and which mistakes beginners should avoid. Let's start with one of the best beginner travel cards ever made, Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is popular for one reason. The reward system is simple, but extremely powerful. You earn points on travel, dining, and everyday spending. And those points can later be used for flights, hotels, or even luxury travel experiences. That's why millions of Americans still use this card in 2026. Now, here's something beginners don't realize. Travel points are not fake internet points. Some people literally fly for free using rewards earned from normal spending. Now, let's move to another beginner favorite, Capital One Venture Rewards. This card is simple. No complicated categories. You earn miles on almost every purchase, and the setup is beginner-friendly. That's important because most people quit travel reward systems when they become too confusing. Now let's talk about Discover It Miles. This card is underrated, especially for beginners. There's no annual fee, and at the end of your first year, Discover matches all the miles you earned. That can become a huge bonus for new users. But now let's talk about the biggest beginner mistake, applying for travel cards without understanding credit scores. Most premium travel cards require good credit. So if your credit score is low, focus on building your score first, because approvals matter. Now here's another mistake people make: carrying debt for travel rewards. Never do that. Travel rewards are only valuable if you pay your balance in full every month. Otherwise, interest charges destroy the value of your rewards. Now here's the smart strategy wealthy travelers use. They use travel cards for normal spending only: groceries, gas, bills, restaurants. Then they pay the balance completely before the due date. That's how they collect free travel rewards without paying interest. Now let's rank the best beginner travel cards for 2026. Best overall beginner travel card? Chase Sapphire Preferred. Best simple travel rewards setup? Capital One Venture Rewards. Best no annual fee travel card? Discover It Miles. And best strategy overall? Use travel rewards responsibly. Remember, travel credit cards are tools, not free money. Used correctly, they can save thousands of dollars every year. But used emotionally, they can create massive debt. So start slow. Build your credit, learn the system, and let your everyday spending pay for your future trips. If you want more USA finance videos, credit hacks, and smart money strategies, subscribe right now to Money Mind AI and comment your dream travel destination below.